Have you ever asked yourself how it all began? From the tiniest known particle to the largest known galaxy, the concept of time, space, and life itself all remain a mystery to many. Knowing the origin of the universe is vital to understanding how it all began. Welcome to Ace of Space. Let's take a scientific journey across time and space and explore the universe. Your time is precious, so go ahead and watch this video at 1.5 times speed. And if you're new, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you won't miss the next video. To explain the origin of the universe, there have been many creative myths, as well as multiple scientific theories that have been circulated in different parts of the world. However, of these multiple theories, the one most widely accepted is the Big Bang Theory. This theory explains that it all started when an infinitely dense point, similar to a black hole, which was only a few millimeters wide, became hot or supercharged. This hot, infinitely dense point violently exploded some 13.8 billion years ago. As a result of this explosion, or Big Bang, matter, energy, space, and time were all created. The next two major events that occurred contributed to the evolution of the universe until now. They are the radiation era and the matter era. The first era is the radiation era, and it was given that name because of the widespread radiation that took place after the Big Bang. This era occurred within the first tens of thousands of years of the universe's existence. It was made up of smaller stages known as epochs, with the Planck epoch the first of these stages. Energy was the only thing that existed in the universe at this time, as there was no matter present. Superforce, from which all four forces of nature came, was also present. A key event marking the end of this stage is the splitting of gravity away from the superforce. The next stage is the unification of the three remaining forces of nature, also known as the Grand Unification Epoch. The end of this epoch is signified by the breaking away of strong nuclear, which is one of the forces. Next is the inflationary epoch stage, during which the universe expands rapidly. Formerly the size of an atom, it rapidly grows bigger, like from the size of a grapefruit. At this point, the universe is still extremely hot, beaming with electrons, quarks, and other tiny particles. The next stage features the breakaway of the final two forces, the electromagnetic and weak forces. This stage is known as the electroweak epoch. After that comes the next stage, the quark epoch, where all the particles making up the universe are present. Because of how hot the universe is, subatomic particles are still not formed yet. The hadron epoch stage is next, where the universe is cooled down just enough for the particles to bind together and form protons and neutrons. The last two stages in the radiation era are the lepton and nuclear epochs. In these stages, the formed protons and neutrons undergo great changes. Protons and neutrons are fused to form nuclei. It is at this point that the first chemical element in the universe, helium, was created. The universe can now form various elements. Since elements are the building blocks of matter, the matter era begins. The matter era, as the name suggests, refers to the period that is defined by the presence of matter in the universe. Just 3 epochs make up this era, but the 3 epochs span billions of years. This period includes the majority of the universe's lifespan and also our present day. The atomic epoch is the first stage in this era. For the first time, electrons can attach to nuclei in a process called recombination, because the universe's temperature is now cooler than ever. As a result of this, hydrogen is created. Because hydrogen and helium atoms are freely present, the universe is dotted with atomic clouds. The collection of atoms now occurs because these gases have enough gravity. As the atoms are collected during this stage, also known as the galactic epoch, seedlings of galaxies are then formed. The third and final stage is the stellar epoch, where stars begin to form inside the galaxies. That is, fortunately, the current stage in the universe's development. This process of star formation now causes a ripple effect that has given the universe the appearance it now has today. Since there is heat within the stars, helium and hydrogen, the only two chemical elements, can be converted into every other element in the universe. As these elements are formed, they form the foundation for everything we see today, from planets to the moon to life itself. You notice that everything is possible as a result of a series of stages involved in the development of the universe. Although there are still many questions about the origin of the universe that have not been answered, satisfying answers will gradually emerge. It's only a matter of time. So, what did you think of this explanation about the origins of the universe? Share any insights in the comment section below. We really enjoyed researching it and condensing it into a short video. If you enjoyed this, show us some love by giving us a thumbs up, and also check out our next video in the upper right corner, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching, take care.